Calling all superheroes. It's National Superhero Day, and I have a treat for you. I have created a bingo card that I want you to print out, and I want you to do it with me right now. We're going to do it all together as our National Superheroes Celebration workout. I've got my cape on. If you don't have yours, no worries. You can always go find one. You can take a quick break, run and grab one, but no cape required for today's superhero workout, but it sure would make it fun. Just so happened to have my kids' costume bag out of the attic, and I was able to put that on this morning so I could feel extra super for your superhero workout. I'm Coach Allison. I own Bowling Green Backyard Bootcamp, and I am thrilled to lead you through your National Superhero Day workout today. I created you a bingo card. The great thing about what we're getting ready to do is that we're going to go through all these exercises. So if you're not sure what some of them are, you're going to learn them with me. And then I'm going to put this in the comments of this video, and you can print your own card to do at any time, not just National Superhero Day. The great thing about these exercises is even if you don't know exactly what they are, you can make something up. It's just about moving your bodies. Are you ready? Let's get warmed up a little bit. I'm going to turn my music up. Thanks for joining me here in my home studio. It's a little rainy outside today, so I decided we'd be super inside. Can you give me big Superman arm circles? Happy Superhero Day, Miss Elizabeth. All right, now go the other direction. So I was going backwards, now I'm going to go forward. Because you know, superheroes going to have their arms ready to fly through the sky, right? Now we're going to take those arms and just open and shut. So, are you ready? It's going to be a great day. You get to make that choice. Now I want you to take your arms up like so. I'll show you my cape flying behind me as I get warmed up. So important to get the body warmed up before you take off and get moving. All right, now both arms up and both arms down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now we gotta get our superhero legs working. So I want you to bring those legs up like you're climbing up a big mountain or a big set of stairs or a big tall building. Let's add those arms. That's fun. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now let's stand on one leg and fly through the sky down. Fly through the sky and down. Need a little something to hold on to? You can do that. Do 4 more. 4. Again, get warmed up before we take off into this bingo card. 2 more. And 1. Switch sides. Got to do it on the other leg. Got to do 8 on this side. 7. Try to teeter-totter over and get as flat as you can. 5. You got a smile on your face this morning. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, superheroes, are we ready? So again, I have this bingo card that's going to be guiding me. To keep it simple for me to lead you through it, we're just going to go straight across each row. We've only got 10 reps or 10 seconds for each exercise. So we'll go through this card fairly quickly, and I encourage you to take a screenshot or print it after this workout where I'll have it in the comments. All right, we got a new song. We're going to start with 10 giant steps, and then we're going to turn those into 10 giant building leaps, right? That's what superheroes do, is hop from building to building. All right, 10 giant steps. All I want you to do is just alternate legs. You're going to step big, turn around. And here's 2 and 3. Talk to me about my volume. 4. Keep going with those building. All right, big giant steps. We're going to say that's 7, that's 8, that's 9, and that's 10. Next up on the bingo card, 10 building leaps. Just like those 10 giant steps you just did, but you're going to add a hop. Here we go. Hop from one building to the next. There's 2 and 3. Leap, superheroes. 5, 6. Looking strong. 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have 2 exercises done. We have 10 toe touches. You're going to reach down, touch your toes. Why don't you go and reach for the sky? 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Stretch those arms up there. 7. If you can't quite touch your toes, no worries. Just go as low as you can. How about we do one more? 10. What comes next after 10 toe touches, 10 right foot hops. Get on your right foot. Let's hop 10 times. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up next, 10 heel walks. Get up on those heels. Pull your toes back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We did 10 right foot hops. Now you got to stand on your left leg. Superheroes know their right and their left, right? So you're on your left leg, 10 hops. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up next, 10 wall sit arm lifts. You need to find a wall. I can even use my door frame. Slide down. I think I'll go to a wall. Slide down. You're going to try and be in a true chair position and lift your arms 10 times. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, I'm feeling like you're getting super strong over there, superheroes. 10 high knees. 1, 2, or run it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up next, we have 10 toe walks. We were on your heels, now we're gonna go to your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Y'all, we are really working through this bingo card. We're almost finished with the second row. You need some space to shuffle. So I'm gonna go diagonal so I have a little bit more space. I'm gonna shuffle, 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 that's 1. Shuffle, 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 that's 2. Here's 3. And 4, we're going to 10, 5, 6, 7, you can fly through the sky if you like to. Here's 8, 9, and there's 10 super hero shuffles. We're now going to go to 10 right kicks. I want you to imagine you got your arms full and you're just going to kick the door or the refrigerator. Kick it closed. Here we go. Let's do another 8, 7, 6, stand up nice and tall. 5, 4, 3, 2, and after your 10 right leg kicks, we have 10 hop squats. So you're gonna get down in a squat, hop up. Here's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is not just an exercise workout for kids. Anybody can do this. We did those 10 right kicks. It's not time for 10 left yet. We've got 10 arm circles. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have 10 side bends. I want you to reach down like you're going to touch your shoe, but don't go down that low. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You guessed it. We did those 10 right kicks. Now it's time for 10 left. So, get that leg up there. 2, try not to snap your knee. 3, 4, 5, stand up nice and tall and strong. 7, 8, 9. We have completed 3 of your 5 rows. We're now going to go to a standing bicycle. Fingertips behind your ears. Stand up tall, elbows wide. Bring your knees straight up, but cross your opposite elbow over. Are we already counting? Let's do 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. 10 standing bicycles goes to 10 right skips. I want you to pretend like you're going to skip straight out, but we're going to stay right here in your spot. Right leg comes up to skip. Skip. Do it again. 2, 3, 4, 5. Superhero skips. 7, 8, 9, and 10. What comes next for our superhero workout? 10 jumping jacks. Ready? Go. You can be here or here. Let's count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Let me see your muscles, superheroes. Flex those muscles. 10 jumping jacks goes to 10 left skips. We already skipped on your right leg. Let's do the left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Left skips are done. 10 punches. You know, superhero sometimes has to punch things, right? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're to your final row of your bingo card. 10 stretch reaches. Here's what this looks like. You're gonna stretch down and you're gonna reach out in front of you and come back up. Go down like you're gonna touch your toes. Pull those arms straight out with a flat back. 3. What if you can't get down that low? Go to wherever you can go. 5. This is your fitness fun time right here. We're gonna say that's 7 and 8. Here's 9 superheroes and 10. I believe we have 4 exercises to go. We're gonna run in place for 10 seconds and we're just gonna count. Do you count like this? 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi? That's what we'll do for a 10-second count. Run in place. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5, 6. Run, 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 run. 7. Come on, superheroes. 8, 9, and 10. We have 10 bend and fly. Remember how we just bent over and reached? Now we're gonna bend over and we're going to fly through the sky. Just hold it here. Fly 10, 9, 8, 7. So you're holding a little squat. You've got those arms out in front of you. Working the shoulders, working the back, working those legs. 3, 2, 1. How many more exercises? Just 2. We're gonna raise the roof, superheroes, 10 times. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and for your final exercise, I want you to hold on to your magic, whatever superhero equipment you might have, and you're just gonna twist it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it. Your bingo card is complete, and I hope this proves to you that exercise can be so much fun. Everybody should wear a cape once in a while. It also should prove to you that just little bitty bits, little bitty amounts of movement, amounts of time, it all counts. Every bit of movement matters. So superheroes, have a fantastic day. Continue to move your body. Eat a green vegetable today because that makes superheroes super strong. Thanks for joining me. I'll be back next week, I think. We'll have to see. Next week's May. We'll see. But superheroes, today you have a mission. Eat a green vegetable, keep moving, and smile.